And the fifth and final thing that has allowed me to be such a successful trader in so many different markets for so long is, quite frankly, just being realistic. Again, none of you would pay me for these to learn these 5 things, but these are the 5 things that I contribute 99% of my trading success to. The final one is being realistic. And let me explain that to you. If you started a new job or a new career, right, how good would you be on day one? Probably not terrible, but not amazing. How good would you be 1 year later? Probably a lot better. How good would you be another year after that? Probably even better. But why, when it comes to trading, if you're not perfect on day one, you give up? It's the strangest thing. Like, imagine if you were seriously overweight and you wanted to lose 100 pounds, and then you actually ate healthy for a couple days and went to the gym twice. And instead of losing 100 pounds, you only lost 1. Would you give up? Would you say that eating healthy and working out is not good for you? No, but for whatever reason, you do it in trading. The best way I can solve this problem for you, because the majority of traders out there, especially on the retail side, are wildly, impressively, and shockingly unrealistic when it comes to expectations in the market, the best thing you can do is this. Increase your repetitions as quickly as possible. How good do you think you're going to be on your first trade? Potentially a shit show. How good do you think you're going to be by your 50th trade? Definitely better. How good do you think you're going to be by your 200th trade? Probably really close to professional level. So get to that 200 mark as quickly as possible. Ramp up those repetitions as quickly as you can. And if you're willing to actually put in a little bit of effort, to make sure you're not risking more than you can emotionally handle, to make sure you're writing down what you're actually doing, why you're placing the trades and why you're not placing trades, right? Actually giving yourself a little bit of room to be incorrect, because you're never always going to be correct when it comes to the market, and then not overstimulating yourself. If you actually do those things, my guess is by the 50th trade, you're going to be a rock star trader and be super successful. But many of you, after the first trade, this is the stock market. After the first trade, you give up. I mean, I don't know where you're getting that from, but you got a lot of balls. Again, if you were 100 pounds and you worked out for 1 week and you only lost 1 pound, would it make any sense on the entire world to just stop working out because you didn't lose 100 pounds in the first week? So stop doing that when it comes to trading. The fix is get your repetitions up as quickly as possible. I don't care if it's on paper account or real money account where you're only risking like $25 per trade. If you are only going to be good after your 100th trade, get there now as quickly as possible.